Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So today we're going to be diving into my Boxycharm for March 2024. Now Boxycharm is a beauty subscription box where you will receive 5 full-size products every single month. And of those 5, you get to customize 3 of them. So this is my personal box. This is not a PR unboxing. It was not sent to me for free or for review. This is the box that I do pay for with my membership. It's $30 a month with a $2 handling fee. There is free shipping on that. But if you guys are interested and would like to sign up and receive a monthly beauty box, I have a link listed down below for you guys. But let's go ahead and get into my March box and let's check it all out. Here's your first sneak peek of my March box. Now you guys will notice I have one additional product inside of my box. I do buy the Beauty Boost every single month, so I pay an additional $15 to get a 6th item. So I do have 6 items in my box, just so you know that's what you're seeing there. It's not like Ipsy just likes me and they just sent me a 6th product. That'd be great, but that's not what happened. First up, we have Glow Recipe. Okay, I am so excited for this product, you guys. I love Glow Recipe to begin with. I'm kind of a junkie for their brand. I'm not gonna lie, I have a lot of their products already. So when I first saw this, I was like, yes, this is exactly what I want with my subscription. Because Glow Recipe, it's not cheap, right? Like, it's a decent penny to purchase. This is the Strawberry BHA Pore Smooth Blurring Drops. So these drops are a primer that will help to lock in your makeup throughout the day, but they're also going to blur your pores and minimize the look of them. But at the same time, it will fight back oils throughout the day. It will also even out your skin's texture. So if you don't want to put makeup on, you don't have to. It will give you a very natural, dewy skin look. So they're great to use with makeup and without makeup. You have a lot of options. This is a full-size product. So you really are not going to need a lot of this product. As you can see, it's just kind of a milky primer. It will make your skin feel a little bit tacky, but it's also going to give it a little bit of a brightening effect. Also, it smells really good, you guys. Like, I just got this scent as I'm rubbing this on, and I'm like, this smells great. It is tacky, which you want it to be because it's supposed to grip your makeup in place. But as you can tell, it blends in flawlessly. And then when I grab it here, it just ever so lightly cools my skin. So I can feel the tackiness that it has, but it looks really flawless. It gives it a really nice, smooth finish. I'm so excited for this product. I love that we got a brand that we want. It's full size, plus I've been wanting to try it. Like this, I am so excited for this month. Next item inside of my box today is from Wander Beauty. Now this is also the other item that Ipsy chose for me. So Ipsy chose this palette and then they also chose the blurring drops for me to have this month. I am obsessed with both of the choices that they made. They're perfect for me. I love getting eyeshadow palettes. I love the Glow Recipe. I mean, I just can't talk enough about it because I'm so excited. I just feel like Ipsy is doing better with their subscription boxes. I know, call me crazy because for the longest time I have felt like they have been missing the mark, but lately their mystery bags are better. I feel like their monthly boxes are delivering on brands. I'm just seeing improvements and I'm so excited for them. So this is the Trailblazer eyeshadow palette, full-size palette, and it is cruelty-free. And inside you will have a mirror up at the top and then you're gonna have all of your shadows down below. Look at those shimmers. Do you see how it catches the light? Like, oh my gosh, this one down here is stunning. I love that. Now what's really cool is you basically have a matte and shimmer counterpart in each row. So you can create some really cool looks with this. You could also do highlighters with this if you wanted to. I think this is really stunning. But for having no control over those 2 items, I think Ipsy did a great job at giving me items that I want. So now I'm going to show you guys the 3 items that I chose for my box. So the first item that I went with is the Anastasia Beverly Hills product. This is the Brow Genius Brow Serum. This serum is full size. It's also cruelty-free and vegan. It is a daily conditioning serum for your brows. So you're wanting to use this morning and night. They state that if you use it for 8 weeks, every single day, twice daily, you will notice that you're going to have fuller, thicker brows, and they're going to also be softer because you are conditioning them at the same time. So it's infused with peptides and biotin and all of these great ingredients that your hair will love. So you will have thicker, fuller brows in the end. So we essentially are just gonna paint this on. It is a clear formula, and you'll just apply this once your brows are clean, and it will help to keep them nice and thick. Now you guys know I love a good fragrance. So when I saw a fragrance pop up on my choice item, this was a no-brainer. Also, it helps that I really like Riddle perfumes, so this was also obvious for me. So this is from a brand called Riddle. If you're not familiar with this brand, they have great fragrances. This is a full-size product, and the scent that we have on this one is Voye. Is that how you pronounce that there? I may have that off, but that's what I'm gonna go with. It's a roll-on fragrance balm, so you can take these with you on the go if you'd like. It is an all-glass bottle. And this one I've never tried before. I love Poppy. I love the original scent that they have, but this one is new for me. So we'll see here. Oh, I don't really smell it. Okay, let me go ahead and roll some of this fragrance on. Maybe I got to get it activated. We'll get it out of here and see what it's like. Yes, there we go. Ooh, this is warm. Like, I feel like I'm getting an amber scent out of this. Yeah, it's good. It's like, I'm getting the warm vanilla sugar vibe from Bath & Body Works. That's kind of what I'm correlating with this. It's got kind of an amber vanilla scent in there. It's really good. There's also that sweetness, but also this one fragrance paid for my entire box today. I also have a lip gloss inside of the box. This is from TYS Beauty, and it is a hydrating lip gloss, but it also has a little bit of a tint to it. So the shade name is called Jelly, and it does look like it's a little, like a soft baby pink color. Doesn't that look pretty? Also, I love this packaging. It's flat, so it's kind of a unique oval shape. I don't know, I like it. It feels really nice. So I'm gonna do a swatch real quick on this lip gloss. Ooh. Okay, it is super smooth. It is not sticky at all. I mean, it just glides. Like, it is one of the smoothest lip glosses I have ever put down. Holy bananas, that was amazing. So you can definitely tell it's a gloss. There is a touch of pink. Like, just briefly you can tell there's a pink color there, but it's not gonna go down this bold either. So it's just ever so slightly. But honestly, I don't even notice that it's on my hand. Like, it feels so lightweight, and it was so smooth. I mean, it was like butter, you guys. Honestly, I am really impressed with this. Like, I'm impressed enough that I want to go check out their other shades as well. I like this shade, but I would rebuy this because it was that smooth. So those are the 5 products that I had in my Boxycharm for March. Now I'm going to show you guys my Beauty Boost product. Now, like I said at the outset, Beauty Boost is where you will spend an extra $15 a month to receive 1 full-size product. The Beauty Boost for March was Ole Henriksen. I mean, this is 100% worth the $15 that I spent on it. And this is exactly what I want for a Beauty Boost. I don't want to get something that's just average, middle of the road. Do you know what I mean? Like, I really want to get something that's a step above, that's a luxury item. So this was, oh, I'm so excited. This is a night treatment, full-size product at 30 ml or 1 ounce. It is supposed to take down dark spots, pores, fine lines, wrinkles, all of that good stuff. Just good overall skincare. But this is a retexturizing serum, so it is supposed to reveal smoother, brighter skin after using it because it does have that acid inside of it. So my advice is, and what I'll probably do myself, is use it in a small area first, like just a patch maybe on your neck. See how you do with it. Sometimes when you have these acids inside of them, they can be really strong for sensitive skin, and you don't want to be burning when using these products. If you're burning, wash it off immediately and don't ever go back. But that is the idea, is that it will help to break down any texture that you have on your skin. So I'm excited to try it. I really hope it works for me. And I just love that, again, we got a brand that we want. Like, I swear, my box just keeps going to Sephora for my items. So that is everything inside of my Boxycharm for March 2024. I am so happy. I am just such a happy customer right now. I will use every single product inside of this box this month. And to me, that's how you know you have an amazing box, is when it's worth it to you on all levels. I would have spent more than $32 on this box, you guys, just because I'm so happy with all of these products. Now, I love getting a deal, so I'm good. I'm not going to volunteer more money to Ipsy, but I am so happy. And it's been a while since I've been this happy with Ipsy. I mean, it really has been. You guys have been with me for a while. It's been a while, and I hope they continue. So please, Ipsy, keep doing this. Send us brands that we want to try. These full-size name brand products are where it's at, and it's awesome. Also, I smell really good too. Like, I just recommend all of it. It was all great. So until next time, beauties, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye.